Hello everyone and welcome back to Hello Word. I'm Alex and I'm so excited to have you here today. Our word of the day is adjustment. It's a C1 level noun that means a small change to improve or correct something. Let's dive into the meaning of adjustment a bit more. This word is often used when we talk about making small tweaks or alterations to get something just right. Whether it's fixing a plan, adapting to a new environment, or making corrections to a device, adjustment is the perfect word to describe those little changes that can make a big difference. There are several synonyms for adjustment that you might find useful. Words like modification, alteration, and adaptation carry a similar meaning. For example, you might say, "The engineer made a slight modification to improve the machine's efficiency," or "Her quick adaptation to the new team dynamics was impressive." Each of these words works beautifully when you want to express the idea of making small but impactful changes. On the other hand, the antonyms for adjustment would include rigidity, fixity, or stagnation. For example, the plan's rigidity made it hard to adapt to unexpected challenges, or the company's stagnation prevented it from keeping up with industry trends. These words highlight the opposite idea, things staying the same or being resistant to change. In everyday life, you can use adjustment in so many situations. Imagine you've moved to a new city. You might say, "It took me a few weeks to make the necessary adjustments to my schedule." Or, if your glasses feel a bit loose, you could tell your optician, "I think my frames need a slight adjustment for a better fit." It's a handy word when you want to talk about refining or correcting things to make them better. Here are some example sentences to help you get a feel for adjustment in action. The teacher made an adjustment to the lesson plan after receiving feedback from the students. A small adjustment to the thermostat made the room much more comfortable. After the software update, a quick adjustment to the settings was necessary. That wraps up our exploration of the word adjustment. Today we learned what it means, looked at some synonyms like modification and adaptation, explored antonyms such as rigidity and stagnation, and discussed how to use it in everyday situations. Thank you so much for tuning in today. Don't forget to subscribe to the podcast and leave a review. Your support helps others find the show, and we love hearing from you. Why not create your own sentence using the word adjustment and share it with us in the comments? I can't wait to read them. Until next time, take care and keep learning.